Coconut might be the most underrated fruit of the summer, despite being tropical, refreshing, and healing. But what if I told you that this simple fruit is one of the most powerful healing tools nature has given us? Not just for your body, but for your skin, your gut, your brain, even your hormone. And with the way the heat is hitting this summer, coconut might just be your ultimate survival fruit. Today, we're breaking down 7 science-backed benefits of coconut that go way beyond the hype, and by the end, you will know exactly how to use it to brew from the inside out. One, hydration. It hydrates you like nature designed it to. Coconut water isn't just a refreshing drink, it's a natural electrolyte bomb. It contains potassium, magnesium, sodium, calcium, everything your cells need to restore balance and hydration. But here's the real kicker. It hydrates better than most commercial sports drinks, and without all the artificial sugar and dye. Fun fact, in emergencies, coconut water has been used as IV fluid because it's that similar to our plasma. Best time to drink it right after a workout, when fasting, or during extreme heat or illness. Q. Coconut oil acts as instant brain fuel. Coconut oil is rich in MCTs, medium-chain triglyceride, fats that bypass the usual digestive process and go straight to the liver, where they are converted into ketones, aka clean brain energies. Why does that matter? Because your brain loves ketones. Studies even show that people with memory loss or early Alzheimer's may benefit from MCT. Use it daily. Add 1 teaspoon of virgin coconut oil to your coffee, smoothies, or oat. It sharpens focus, supports memory, and gives you a gentle energy boost without caffeine crashes. 3. Helps burn fat and manage weight naturally. Now I know, it sounds crazy, right? Eat fat to burn fat, but the MCTs in coconut oil increase your metabolic rate, helps your body burn more energy, and reduces your appetite. Unlike long-chain fat in vegetable oils, MCTs are used for energy, not stored as fat. Try this. Use coconut oil for stir frying or as the butter replacement in baking. Your body and waistline will thank you. 4. A natural antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral. Coconut contains lauric acid, which turns into monolaurine in the body, a powerful substance that kills bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This means coconut oil heals wounds faster, fights off yeast and fungal infections, supports immune health from the gut up. Try oil pulling. Swishing 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10 minutes. It detoxes your mouth, kills harmful bacteria, and even whitens teeth naturally. 5. Protects your gut and eases digestion. Coconut doesn't just nourish you, it helps your body absorb nutrients better. The oil reduces inflammation in the digestive tract, the water suits the gut lining, and the flesh gives you prebiotic fiber, the kind your good gut bacteria loves to feast on. Blend coconut mist into smoothies or use coconut yogurt for dairy-free, gut-friendly snack. Bonus, it keeps your bowels moving gently and regularly. 6. Good for your heart when used right. Coconut oil got a bad representation in the past, but new research tells a better story. When taken in moderation, virgin coconut oil actually increases your HDL, the good cholesterol, and supports overall lipid balance. Keyword: moderation. Don't deprive your life in it. Just 1 tablespoon per day in food is enough. Try this. Roast veggies with coconut oil and turmeric. It acts as a delicious heart support. 7. Skin and hair benefits you feel instantly. If there's one thing coconut does flawlessly, it's beauty support. This oil penetrates deep into your skin and hair shafts, locking in moisture, fighting bacteria, and healing damage. It reduces fine lines, fades acne scars, eczema and irritation, protects against sun damage, adds a thin shine to dry hair. Mix coconut oil and raw honey for a face mask, or use as overnight oil for end of your hair. No more dryness. So let's wrap this up, because coconut isn't just a trend, it's an ancient science-backed superfood with full body benefit. From hydration to brain health, from weight balance beauty. You don't need 50 products or supplements. You just need to return to what nature already gave us. So if you're ready to hydrate, grow, and heal, coconut is your summer BFF. Drop a coconut emoji in the comments if coconut is getting added to your routine starting today. Tag someone who needs dish soda and sip literature instead, and subscribe to Vitality with Divine, where we turn everyday foods into everyday medicine. Until next time, stay nourished, stay glowing.